So hey guys, welcome back. It's been about, 2 weeks I guess since I filmed my last video, or I filmed a video in here. And in that time, floors have gone in, done a little bit more painting, the hallway lights are in. So let me just show you what has happened since then. So let me show you the floors. They are done. We went with a lighter color, and this is what we came up with. So let me show you here. So this is what the new floor looks like. If you remember, the floor was more of a brown color, or a darker brown color, and now we went with a lighter color, more of a white. This is what we were looking to do, and we are liking it a lot. So let me show you from this angle. Unfortunately, they will have to redo some of the floor because two things actually. In that hallway, they were actually supposed to change the flooring out, and I'll show you why. See up here, there's all this staining. So they were supposed to change all of this out, and now we're gonna have to take this up and put new floor down. Because they were supposed to do this and they didn't. That's one thing. And while we're at it, we are also going to replace all the different stair treads here, put new ones, because also those are stained, so might as well get those done. So they refinished them, and the stains that were on them didn't fully disappear. The staining is from the old carpet that was down, and the foam pad, or that pad that goes under it. I guess the oil seeped into the wood, and this happened. So we are replacing the stair treads and then the floor up there as well. And then down here, let me kind of show you what's happening. So as you can tell, look at this, some of this floor is coming up. And then there's, like over here, you can see some soft spots there, and it's pretty much all over. So I'm gonna see if I can show you a little bit more. If you can kind of see it here and right over here, like here. It's all these spots that are just not supposed to be moving or lifting. There's like a little lip here, same with right here. So it's pretty much all over the floor. Here's another one. I know in the camera it might be hard to tell, but I promise you it's here. It's all this, like, see this lip right here and right over here as well. So I'm not exactly sure what's gonna happen. I just know that our contractor said that it will be fixed, because that should not be happening. I don't know why it happened. I'm not sure if it was a bad installation or they didn't let the floor acclimate as long as it should have for the space. Either way, it's kind of annoying, to be honest with you, because we did have to leave the house, right, for a few days. Couldn't be here, and it's just annoying that that's gonna have to happen again. Fortunately, this time, we were planning on being out of the house for a few days. We are going to be going up to Rhode Island to visit my family for a few days. So while we're away, they're gonna fix the floor. Both the floor that's in the hallway, as well as the floor that's in this main level. Otherwise, we love the floor, we love the color. It's a beautiful color. We love how it came out. We went with a low matte, or I should say a low sheen, a matte finish on the floor. In this video, it does look actually kind of shiny, especially like where the lights are, but honestly, it is really not that shiny when you are in the room itself. So let me show you what else we've done. Over here, we're gonna be putting a pot filler. Here is the trim. That should be going in, I think, this week. And then all here are the new cabinets. So these cabinets will be going in tomorrow. I don't know how long it'll take, but you'll start tomorrow and hopefully it'll be done by Friday. Tomorrow's Wednesday, maybe 3 days of work. I have no idea. Tomorrow I'll ask, and then we'll be able to call the we'll be able to call the countertop people to come out, do a templating so we can get that installed. So that'd be great if we can get them to come out, at least to come out to do the templates before we go to Rhode Island, which is next week at some point. Here we also got the lights up on the hallway as well. So now all the lights that we're supposed to have in here are up, all controlled right here by the Lutron switches, but I like using the app way more. Oh, I forgot to show you also, the fans are in as well. We got both of those in, I think it was last week at some point. So that is what they look like. Like them a lot. We got 2 of the same ones in this room to be able to move as much air as possible, especially in the summertime. They are wired separately, so that way if you only want to work this one, or if you want to work this one, you can, or turn them on and off independently. So yeah, we're very happy with how that came out. Walls painted black. I think that was black last time, but they've put another coat on there. You can tell the difference between the bottom and the top. But since the bottom here, it's just gonna be cabinets, doesn't really matter. And then that wall there. So yeah, we are moving along. Tomorrow, like I said, the cabinets will be installed or starting to be installed. Don't know how long that's gonna take, but I'll show you at the end of the day how that came out. If you like this video, give it a nice thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't. Any comments, questions, suggestions, or anything at all, put them down in the comments section below. And like always, keep on living a modern lifestyle through technology. Peace. Bye.